In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on an unsupported computer. If I click on check, as you can see on my screen there, you will see that this PC does not currently meet Windows 11 requirement, meaning that my computer does not support Windows 11. But I'm going to show you a trick that will enable you to install Windows 11 on PC. So I'm just going to close this one. Then you can check for yours. You can download PC Health Check. Then you can install it and check whether your PC can support Windows 11. The first thing that we will need to do here, I will now close this one. We start by downloading Windows 11 and Windows 10 ISO file. So I will begin with the Windows 10 ISO file. So I will go to Google Chrome, then go to search, then search for Windows 10, Windows 10 download. Then you are going to choose this one for Microsoft. Now you just click download Windows 10. So once you are here, you will see that if you scroll down, you will see that there is no option for downloading Windows 10 ISO file. So what you will need to do, you will go to those three dots on your top right corner, click on them, then go to more tools, then go to developer tools, click on it. So once you have opened developer tools, you are going to go to these three dots here on your top right corner, click on it, then more tools, then you are going to see network conditions, click on it. Then you will see this network condition appearing at the bottom here. So you will come here under user agent, you will uncheck this box, then you will go to custom, then you are going to choose Chrome OS, click on it. Then once you've done that, you will now refresh this page. Now you are going to close this one. Then you will scroll down. Then you are going to select edition. Then Windows 10 Multi Edition ISO. Then confirm. Then choose the language. I'm going to select English United States. Then confirm. Then I'm going to choose 64 bits. Then as you can see, the download has begun here at the top. So as you can see, this is an ISO file. It is 5.7 GB. So you're just going to give it time until it finishes. So after downloading Windows 10 ISO file, now we are going to download Windows 11 ISO file. So we are going to go to the search and search for Windows 11. Windows 11 download. Then enter. Then again, we are going to go to Microsoft official website and click on the first link. And then it will land you here. So for Windows 11, there is an ISO file which you can download. So you are just going to scroll down, then select download. Then Windows 11. Then confirm. Then choose language, English, confirm. Then download Windows 11 English. Download, I'm going to download 64-bit. So click on 64-bit download. Then the download will automatically begin here. It is also an ISO file, as you can see. So as you can see, guys, I've already downloaded the two ISO files for Windows 11 and for Windows 10. So this is what you are going to do in order to install Windows 11 on your Windows 10 or on your PC. So you are going to mount Windows 10, right click on it, then mount. Then open. So this is the file for Windows 10. Now if you go to this PC, you'll be able to see it here. So this one is for Windows 10. And just notice that it is 5.71 GB. So this is very important. You need to know that it is 5.71 GB. Now once you've known that, you will now open for Windows 11. Right click on it, then mount, then open. Then you will go to this PC. Then this one is for Windows 11. Again, I want you to know this. We are going to open this Windows 10 and this Windows 11 in new Windows. So I'm going to put Windows 10 on the left and Windows 11 on the right. So if I begin with the Windows 10, right click on it, then open a new window. Now after you have opened it, now on your keyboard you are going to press on Windows key and side key at once. Then you are going to press that one. Then again you will enlarge this one. Then you will open this one also for Windows 11 in new Windows. Then again you are going to press on Windows key and right side key. And then you will select for Windows 10 there. So as you can see, on your left is Windows 10, on your right is Windows 11. So once you know that, I will enlarge this one for Windows 11. So this side is Windows 10, this side is Windows 11. So you are going to go to sources, then you are going to search for install.wim. So you are going to see it here. So you need to copy this install.wim from Windows 11 and we are going to paste it in Windows 10. So I'm just going to copy this, copy. Then you will come to sources for Windows 10. So you are going to paste Ctrl V. So once you've copied install.wim for Windows 11 and you have pasted it in the sources file for Windows 10. So once you've done that, you will now close this one. You will now close this one. Then you can now eject Windows 11. Then you remain with Windows 10 here. So you just need to double click on it. Then yes. As you can see guys, now you will just follow the procedure for installing Windows on your PC. So that's really it guys. That's how you can install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.